Hi, my name is Megan Cesta, and I'm a minimally invasive gynecologic surgeon at Summa Health in Akron, Ohio. On behalf of AAGL, I'm excited to invite you to join us in Louisville, Kentucky this year for the 26th Annual Advanced Anatomy Workshop. This workshop is one of the best and most hands-on experiences in surgical skills today. Join me and other world-renowned faculty for an engaging and immersive weekend. This workshop will focus on helping you level up your laparoscopic skills for pathologies such as fibroid uterus, endometriosis, and difficult hysterectomy. If you're also looking to advance your laparoscopic suturing skills, then you are going to love this event. This workshop features Suturing Lab, where you will get one-on-one personalized experience with expert surgeons to help develop your current skills or add new skills to your suturing practice. This lab will culminate with a cadaveric dissection where our faculty will guide you through an advanced anatomy dissection, and you'll get to apply all of these new skills. I hope you'll consider joining us, and I can't wait to see you there.